Hi my lovely girls. Today I'm going to start with this very quick makeup tutorial, and this is a very simple and subtle look for college going girls and office going girls. And the product I'm using in this video are very affordable and very reasonable in price. So let's get started. I have already moisturized my skin and now I'm using Lakme CC cream. I'm not using any foundation. I'm just applying the CC cream all over my face and neck. It should look more even. I'm applying and blending this with the help of my fingers. After applying the CC cream, I'm moving to the concealer, and for concealer I'm using Maybelline New York concealer and hiding the dark areas of my face and on the high points of my face. So I'm just dabbing it all over my face with the help of my fingers only. Okay, now I'm using next the Maybelline New York Face Compact Powder and the shade is Shell. I'm just dabbing it all over my face and setting the base. Next I'm using the eyebrow pencil, and the eyebrow pencil is from Miss Claire and the shade is 06 Coffee Brown. This is a very natural brown shade guys for everyday wear. I'm filling the natural shape of my eyebrows. Just helps in defining the face look. And after filling the brows I'm using the pulley and setting it. Okay, next I'm using the Lakme Iconic Kajal, and I'm using this kajal as a liner. I'm not using any eyeliner here. I love this kajal, and I'm just joining the inner corner of my eyes to the outer corner. I'm not making any thick liner here and making a slight wing. Repeating this on the another eye. A winged eyeliner on the daily basis never hurts, right? Perfect. Next I'm using base blush, and for blush I'm using Maybelline New York blush and the shade is 6. With the help of brush I'm applying this blush on the high points of my cheek. This is a very nice pink color. Because it's a very natural and daily wear look, I'm just applying this face compact powder and dabbing it all over my face. It gives a very natural inner pink glow to the cheeks. Okay, now we are done with the base guys. It's looking nice. Okay, again I'm using the Lash Sensational Mascara from Maybelline. This is my favorite mascara guys. You should definitely try this out. You will love this. I'm applying this mascara on the upper lashes. I'm applying the same mascara on the lower lashes as well. Just open up the eyes. Next I'm using and moving to the favorite part of my makeup, and this is a lip liner from Miss Claire and the shade is Kiss Rose L43. This is a very natural pink color. I'm just outlining my lips, the natural shape of this. This is perfect shade for office and college going girls and for everyday look. After filling my lips outline and just filling the lips with the lipstick. This is from Nykaa and the shade is Pink Flirt. And you can see how nice this pink color is. This is a perfect look for the day, guys. And I'm almost done with my face, and adding the glam factor to the face, I'm using the highlighter. And for highlighter, I'm using In Color Cosmetics and the shade is 06 Golden Wheat. I'm using very less product, and for that I'm using my fingers only. I'm applying this on the high points of my face to give a very natural subtle glow to the face. The bridge of the nose, T-zone. We are done, guys. I hope you like this makeup. All the products I'm using in this video, I will be giving the details in the description. So guys, I hope this is helpful for all of you. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye and take care.